Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a palladium silver metallic. Under the hood's a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one comes with the appearance package, which gives you 20-inch multi-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. And also comes with illuminated running boards. Our interior has a black MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, a fold-down third row seat, coming up front here we do have blind spot assist. It also comes with the lane tracking package, which gives you blind spot assist, lane keeping assist. And inside here, this one also does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you Harman Kardon sound system, a nice wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we have our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera and front and rear sensors, our radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, our command center for our infotainment center. This vehicle has 48,945 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmanimports.com.